This is Irontrader, and this is the last call of the week. Now the pits closed at 2:30. That was about an hour and a half ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, OPEC, they made their decision. They're going to cut 2.1 million barrels per day starting in January. But the problem with this is only a volunteer basis, okay? So whether they actually get those cuts, if they don't get the cuts here, you know, the market obviously didn't like it because it just didn't have the rally here. If you look on a daily here, you're double topped right there, and it's been selling off here yesterday and today. So let's take a look here on the old daily, see what happened. All right. Yesterday, we had a nice double top going on here, okay? And then I pointed out this level right here, this 74 on 91. Now, if you look right across here, how many days that it held it very, very nicely. Now, today, it broke below here, okay? Now, you went down to the next support level, basically. So what you have here, today's was 73.93. If you look at this candle here, you got 74.06, and then we have 73.79. So that's the level that it came down to next. Okay, so here's what we got. So what you always want to do here, when the futures open on Sunday night or Monday, however you trade, always look at the previous day's open, close, and the high and the low. Okay, that's what you want to know here. That's what you're trading against here. Okay, so you want to look at that 73.93, and then we want to do here, if that's lost, you come down to 73.79, and then if that's lost, you come down to 72.91, and then we have your retest here, 72.37. Okay, so basically we know where that's going. If that 72.37 retest is lost, we come right here, 70.27, and then we have your 50-day here sitting at 69.17. Now again, if that is lost here, that 69.17 is lost, then we come to this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 65.38. We look at the bottom of this candle, 64.36, and then your retest, 63.64. So we know if this 72.37 is lost, we know where it's going. 200-day, 50-day, bottom of these candles, retest. Okay, very, very simple. Now again, it might hold this area. We've got to see Sunday night here or Monday exactly if it will or not. Okay, so now on the upside, what we look for? Look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 74.64. You look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 75.05. And then we look here at this 8. This is the crucial resistance. 76.12, that's your 8 SMA. 21-day here, 77.10. Very, very crucial here. And then we look here at the 200-day right here at 78.10. That is going to be your key resistance. If you can get above here, then we have right here, you have your 8-day at 78.17, and then we have your 50-day at 78.25. So you look at the 17, you look at the 25 here, and then you look at the 78.10. Basically, you're looking at 78, okay? You're going to have a strong resistance at that 78 level if it even gets there. The key is going to be this 8 SMA. Now, you can see how this 8 SMA, see how it puts the pressure all the way on down. This is what we're looking at here for resistance. Key level here, 76.12, and then this 21-day, 77.10 before we start getting into that 78 level, okay? So very, very simple. Watch today's low. If that's lost, here's your big target, 72.37, 70.27, 69.17. If that's lost here, here's your big target. Upside, 8 SMA, 21 SMA, 78 level. Huge thing. If you can get above, then what we do is we look here. 78.77, you look at yesterday's high. Okay, 79.60, we look at this high, 79.77, and then we work our way up here. Okay, so basically you got 80.10 here, and then we want to look at this here. You got 80.62. That's even lower than that level right there. So this is going to be critical here. This will probably slope down even farther here now. So this is going to be very, very tough sledding here on the upside. And if you can get above, you got 82.58. But right now, this looks like a very, very bearish pattern. If any kind of a rally, you got to really sell into that 8 or the 21-day or that 78 level. RSI, that's got plenty of room to run on the downside. Already up here. This is still bullish. The green is above the red, but that can reverse very, very quickly. You look at this MACD here, not looking good at all. That can come slamming right on down here. This is still a very bearish pattern when that green is below the red. Okay, so right now here, scalp is still the trade. Okay, now I scalped UCO today, really good trade. Then I got into SEO here, another good trade. Okay, same way with the natural gas. Scalped the UNG, got 10 cents. Scalped the KOLD, got, let me see here, 2.25 points out of the coal today. So it was a great trading day. Remember, as a trader, we don't care if you're going long, you go short. That doesn't make any difference. All you need to look at is where the money is. That's why you want to trade the charts, okay? So very, very simple. Watch the 8, the 21-day, the 78 level. Downside, watch today's low and 72.37. All right, let's see what's going on with the old natty gas. All right, natty gas. It was kind of chop city here, okay? So you put in a low here of 2.70 here. Not today, of course. But then it's just chop it around here, okay? Up, down. But this is the actual good trading here, okay? When it comes down, this is really good trade. But you can see where you couldn't get in. You put a lower high here. She comes right on down. Now the question is, can it hold this 2.75, 2.76 level? If not, you're going to come rocketing right down to that 2.70 here. On the 4-hour chart, well, you can see it pretty clear here, okay? So you look at your 21-day waterfall, 50-day waterfall, 8-day waterfall, 100-day, 200-day, everything is just gone. Again, if you can hold above this key 2.70 level here, then we have a chance to rallying on up here, possibly to that. But you got a lot of resistance. You got this right here, okay? This is your 8 SMA, 2.79. You got your 21-day, 2.8. You got your 50-day right there, sitting at 2.84. A lot of resistance overhead. You got to have to blast through all of that here to get higher. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. All right, here we have the old daily chart, okay? So bottom line, let's just look at the downside. You can see, look at all these indecision candles here, okay? Not good, okay? And then every time it went sideways, it went down. Sideways, down. Now we're going sideways again. Is it going to go down again, or is it going to reverse? The key is watch this 50-day. See that? 2.76. If that's lost, here's your target. 2.70. If that's lost, here's your target, 2.62. Very, very simple. Upside, 8-day, 2.82, 2.86. Very, very clear. Lines right up here, 2.86. Very nice. If you can get above this 8 in this 100-day, then we just go right here, 2.92, 2.95, 2.99, 3.02. That's your 21-day. Above that, 3.06. But you can see how the 21-day coming on down, cross that. The 8-day came on down, cross that. That's not a bullish look, okay, at all. Now, RSI here, well, that could go a lot lower here. Your MACD is still bearish. Your green is below your red. That's never good here, okay? Simply watch your 8, your 100-day. If you can cross above, you go there. 2.76 right here. You lose that, you're going down to 2.7. You lose that, you're going to 2.62. Very, very simple. Now, I always produce a video here Sunday night at 7 o'clock. The futures open at 6. That gives you a little bit of room there. So if you want to stop by Sunday night, I'll have all the information, get you all set up for Monday on the crude and natural gas. And I hope everybody has a great weekend, and thanks for watching.